Oh, I ran the Rspec today in the morning. Just I
Yeah.
have it up and running, and this is the error I keep getting. And I looked it up, and people are saying that there's some sort of issue with doing this type of test. Uh,
Oh,
and someone said that um, on one of the forums they were saying that to change something in Rails helper, and I tried doing that to add
yeah.
a different code, but it still gives me the same error. And if I take it out, if I take the include, then it gives me the error that is expected based on the directions or the instructions.
Okay. So how about can you show me the file?
Yeah. It should be.
Now, okay, a method environment. Okay, and which checkpoint is this? Mocking with Rspec?
Yeah.
Yeah, it seems like well, do you need to test if you're logged in or not, or not yet? Or
Yeah,
not
that's
quite.
that's the that's the point I'm at right now. The controller, the vote specs controller. So as soon as I add the include device test helper, so if I comment this out and I run the RSpec again, it gives me
Oh, I
this
see.
right here. It
So
says,
so have you included, sorry, say it again?
oh, I was saying if I comment this out, I get this error right here. And
Okay.
then it says to put it in, and then it's not giving me this error anymore. It's giving me this one where it says something about the setup controller for Warden.
Yeah. Okay. All right, let me see if I can get something for you then. The assignment again. What checkpoint is this? Mocking with Rspec, right?
Yeah, 50. And this is the Stack Overflow that I found. So someone was doing something similar.
All right. So this is just a checkpoint, not the assignment, right?
Yeah, it's just the checkpoint.
Okay. So let's see. Device test hackers. Follow those hacker. Okay. And now, can you show me your test factories?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. They had you. They didn't have you doing a setup with Warden yet,
Mm-mm.
right?
No, they didn't. So yeah, I was following the instructions yesterday, and everything was going, the way it's supposed to based on this, and then
Yeah.
I ran it, and then it's like poof.
Okay. So it's complaining about request though, right?
Say that one more time. I'm sorry.
Yeah, so it says undefined method environment for no class.
Yeah.
So it's saying that request is nil.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see if I can dig up here. Undefined method.
Then I went to the device. Here, let me see if I find it again. Because I went to the README text file for device.
Yeah.
And it says something. Let me see.
Oh, yeah. So just to make sure. Okay, so that's for the votes controller.
Spec. Yeah, that's the votes controller spec. Yeah.
So let's.
Then I saw this. So I tried adding this on the Rails helper.rb, and it didn't really do anything either.
Yeah. Can you try at request instead of request?
Where?
On line 10.
Right here?
Yeah, try at request. I don't think it's going to work, but I just want to see what happens. All right, let me know when it's done running.
It's done.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
Same error?
Same error.
This helper is 24 or something. They talk about moving it to another spot. Did you try that?
Moving this?
Yeah, include device test helpers. Yeah. So can you change that request to just normal request?
Yeah. Yeah, I put it before the describe votes controller. Like in the same file or a different file?
Different file. Like, do you have like a config file for your Rspec? Like maybe in dot. Take a look at Rails helper, actually. I just want to see.
I put it here last time, right underneath require Rspecs.
Okay. Can you take a look at spec helper? Yeah, try here. You can just put it anywhere, I guess. So, yeah, you can just put it on line 22 or something, right after line 22. Okay, and then instead of include devise test helpers, do conclude, sorry, config dot include. So instead of include, write config dot include.
Config dot include?
Yeah. And then put a comma afterwards. And then type colon space colon controller. So type, no,
type.
the word type. Yeah.
Okay.
And then space colon controller.
All right.
Yeah, so save that and give that a shot.
Save it. And I get this error.
Yeah. Okay, you can comment that out. Go back to testhelper.rb. Oh, do you even have a test helper?
No, I don't. That's the other thing. Should I have one?
Can you search for it? Just do Command P and just type test helper.
It's space, right? Test helper.
Test underscore helper.
It's not there. I looked for. Someone mentioned that I looked for that in the blockit instructions. I didn't see that either.
Yeah.
Because when we created this spec, it was only Rails helper and spec helper that were installed. That's what the screenshot they have also says.
Okay, so can you go back to the test? And then throw the stuff back in there. This is a long checkpoint.
Hmm?
This is a long checkpoint.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, I thought maybe there was like a typo somewhere, so I went down like a couple times just to make sure everything was the way it should be, and then I compared it with someone else's, and it's similar, and everything like like if this one the request, this one is the last thing that they want you to do, and then this if I run it like this is the same. You get this error right here. So everything was going well until here, because you get this, upload, error, failure error, sign in at user. So everything is going the way that they're saying it should go.
Okay, and then can you go to Rails helper?
Mm-hmm.
Is this Rails helper?
Yeah, this is Rails helper. And then I uncommented this.
Yeah. Hmm. Can you go back to the terminal? Okay, can you put it back the other way and then run it again?
Yeah. Do you want me to add this one or leave this one? This one's the last thing you do.
Yeah, so yeah, put back line 10. Great, and then rerun it. Can you press Command K just to clear everything else? Command K.
On the controller?
Oh, not now. Next time.
Okay.
All right. It says set controller for wording, right? That's there.
Set up controller for wording, yeah.
Okay, so I think you spelled controller wrong. The folder, you need to spell controllers.
So the folder?
Yeah. It needs to be spelled controllers. Okay, give it another shot. Now you have to do rspec spec controllers / votes controller.
Oh, you're right.
Nice. Yep. It's always that one character. All right.
That's funny. Dude, thank you so much.
Absolutely. Anything else I can help you out with?
No, I'm just chugging along right now with these checkpoints. So.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, if you run into any other errors again, just feel free to post another question on the forum.
Okay.
Cool.
All right, man. Thank you so much.
Yep. See you soon.
All right. Bye.